Good evening, friend. Today's date is 28 December 2021, and today's video topic is linked list in Java. So, before starting today's topic, let me small introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Gangadhar Amge. I am basically from Latur and currently stay in Pune. I have completed my graduation from Pune University in 2017. My hobbies are playing cricket. 5 members in my family, including me. So let's start today's video topic, linked list in Java. So basically, there are type of linked list is a type of the collection, which is a class, which is the basically hierarchical of the collection is. Basically the Java linked list class is used to the doubly linked list to store element. Let's see some important point about the linked list are. Linked list is a class can contain duplicate element, means we can allow to duplicate element in linked list. It does not mandatory it is a duplicate or not, it is inserted in a linked list. Second point is Java linked list can maintain insertion order. Means what is the meaning of the insertion order in maintain? When we add the element in the linked list, it is add the element in a linked list, and when we print that linked list, it will be maintain the insertion order. Suppose when we add 10 at first at a 0 index, and that then the order of the insertion order is first, it will be shown in linked list is 0, 10, after 10, 20, 30, like this. When we add in which sequence when we add the element, that sequence will be show the output. This is the maintain insertion order. Third one is Java linked list class is non-synchronized. What is meant by non-synchronized? Non-synchronized means it is not a thread shape. Thread shape means automatically two or more threads run at a simultaneously. Linked list in linked list manipulation is a fast because no shifting occurrence. Means there is some disadvantage of array list is overcome in linked list. It means shifting problem. There is no required to shifting problem, means they have to automatically shift in linked list. But in problem in array list is when we remove any element in the array list, it required to the shifting the element from one index to another index. This problem is resolved in array linked list. And what is the need of linked list? Let's see. As we know about the array, which is also a linear data structure in which we can store a similar data type, but in array we have to limitations such as size of the array is a fixed, which is a decide to create an array. So we cannot increase the size of the array. If you declare large size of the array, then we want to store the less element, and it is a waste of the memory. Similarly, deleting an element from the array is also performance wise expensive and operation, because all element after that it will be shifted left hand side. These limitations are handled in a linked list by providing such feature such as linked list allow dynamic memory allocation, which means memory allocation is done at the runtime by the compiler. We do not need to mention the size of the list. During the linked list, it has no size limit. Second one is linked list element don't need to conjugate memory location, because elements are linked with each other using the reference of the node that contains the address of the text node of the list. Insertion and delete operations in a linked list are not perform wise expensive, because adding and deleting element from the linked list does not require element shifting. Only the address of the previous and next node required changes. Similarly, in to array in Java, linked list is a linear data structure, but linked list element is not stored in a consecutive memory location. like array, they are linked in each other by using reference of that address, and each element of the linked list has a reference and address to the next element of the linked list. Means when suppose the link what is the meaning of the each element of the list linked list has a reference address to the next element of the, suppose they have two objects in first one object, suppose you have two objects. In first object there are some data and two one non-primitive data. In that non-primitive data, they have to reference address of the next object of that next object, like this. And each element in the linked list is called a node. Means each element is in linked list is called as a node. Each node of that linked list contains two items, like first one is element and address of the next node of that linked list. These are there are two type of linked list. First one is a singly linked list, and second one is a doubly linked list in Java. So these are the two types of the linked list in Java, and these are the some little bit discussion about the linked list in Java. Thank you.